A Verizon Network Extender, also known as a femtocell, was a device that improved indoor cellular signal by connecting to your broadband internet. Think of it as a mini cell tower for your home, creating a localized 4G LTE coverage zone. It amplified Verizon's cellular signal indoors, allowing multiple devices to connect without draining battery life. However, it's important to note that Verizon discontinued the Network Extender program in 2020 and fully phased it out by 2022, focusing on 5G home internet and integrated Wi-Fi solutions instead. The Network Extender hardware includes antennas for signal transmission, an Ethernet port for connecting to your internet, and a power adapter for electricity. It requires a Verizon-compatible SIM card and a high-speed internet plan with at least 10 Mbps upload speed. The device registers with Verizon's network, converting your broadband connection into cellular signals. It creates a coverage area of typically 5,000 to 7,000 square feet and supports 5 to 10 devices. Although Verizon Network Extenders are discontinued, if you have a working device, setup is straightforward. Start by connecting the extender to power and your internet router using an Ethernet cable. This provides the broadband connection needed for the device to function. Next, insert the Verizon SIM card that came with the extender into the designated slot. This card authenticates the device with Verizon's network. Then, activate the extender through the My Verizon app. Open the app on your smartphone, search for nearby devices, and complete the activation process by following the on-screen instructions. Finally, position the extender in a central location in your home for optimal signal coverage. Place it away from thick walls, metal objects, and other electronics that could interfere with the signal. Test the coverage in different areas to ensure the best performance. Compatibility is key when using a Verizon Network Extender. These devices work seamlessly with Verizon's own plans, including prepaid, postpaid, and business options. However, network extenders are not compatible with MVNOs, which are mobile virtual network operators that resell Verizon's network. Examples include Straight Talk. Firmware compatibility is also crucial. Older network extender devices may require manual firmware updates to function correctly with Verizon's current network infrastructure. Always check your device's model and firmware version against Verizon's archived documentation to ensure proper compatibility. Common issues with Verizon network extenders include signal drops caused by network congestion, where too many users overload the local cell towers, leading to slow speeds and disconnections. Interference from nearby Wi-Fi routers can also disrupt the extender's performance. To resolve these, try rebooting the extender by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Relocating the antennas away from walls or metal objects can also improve signal strength. Another common problem is incompatible firmware or outdated Verizon plans that don't support the extender. Check for manual firmware updates through Verizon's support channels or verify your plan compatibility. If these issues are persistent and cannot be resolved, consider modern alternatives like Verizon's 5G home internet or approved signal boosters for better reliability. Verizon discontinued the Network Extender program to focus on 5G infrastructure, citing the inefficiencies of maintaining separate cellular networks indoors. The main reason was the inefficiencies of maintaining separate cellular networks indoors, which required additional hardware and resources. 5G signals offer better penetration through walls, reducing the need for dedicated extenders. As shown in this diagram, different frequency bands provide varying coverage ranges. Additionally, Verizon shifted towards integrated solutions like 5G home internet, which combines broadband and cellular extension in one package. As Verizon shifts away from network extenders, they now recommend modern alternatives like 5G home internet and signal boosters for better indoor coverage. 5G home internet replaces traditional broadband by delivering high-speed internet through Verizon's 5G cellular network. It combines fast internet access with built-in cellular signal extension, eliminating the need for separate network extenders. Key benefits include no phone line requirements, potential speeds up to 1 gigabit per second in compatible areas, and simple setup through a provided Wi-Fi router that handles both internet and cellular coverage. Signal boosters are FCC-approved devices that amplify weak cellular signals from outside your home, bringing them doors without requiring a separate internet connection. They work with any carrier's cellular signals, are certified by the FCC to avoid interference, and are particularly effective for improving coverage in areas with weak outdoor signals. Verizon partners with Eero to offer mesh Wi-Fi systems that create seamless whole-home coverage and integrate cellular signal extension capabilities. These systems use multiple nodes to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones, include automatic security updates, and can be managed through a simple app, providing a comprehensive solution for modern home connectivity. These modern alternatives provide reliable indoor cellular coverage with simpler setup processes and superior performance compared to the discontinued network extenders. The future of signal enhancement is moving toward integrated solutions and virtual extensions. Experts predict a significant decline in demand for standalone extenders as 6G technology emerges. Verizon is investing heavily in AI-driven adaptive networks, which could make physical extenders unnecessary. Cloud-based virtual extensions through apps may become the standard, providing seamless connectivity without the need for additional hardware. For the best performance, consider upgrading to these modern solutions.